Hello everyone, it's Messina speaking, and today we'll talk about films and movies. The aim of the class is to understand how and why cinema changed over the 20th century. By the end of the class, I would like you to be able to explain how the first films in the 1910s and 1920s were different from films today. I hope you could explain what talkies are, and I really hope that you could explain why cinema became less popular by the middle of the 20th century. Leisure and entertainment. Let's look at different activities. Let's listen, read, and repeat. Playing computer games. Baking a cake. Listening to music. Making things. Riding my bike. Walking my dog. Spending time with friends. Playing football. Going to the cinema. Painting and drawing. Reading a book. Dancing. So all of these phrases, they're leisure or entertainment. What kind of question can we ask to all of these activities? Which questions did you write? As all of those pictures show different leisure or entertainment activities, means how people have fun, what do they do in their free time, we could ask many different questions. Maybe, what do you do in your free time? What do you do in your spare time? How do you entertain yourself? What do you do for fun? And many others. Let's look again at some of the leisure or entertaining activities. Play computer games. Bake a cake. Spend time with friends. Ride your bike. Walk your dog. Make things. Can you think of any others? What do you do in your free time? In the 20th century, it means 100 years ago, one of the most popular entertainments was… Let's try to guess. And the answer is the cinema. Welcome to the theater of 1914. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the film Between Showers, starring Charlie Chaplin. While you're watching a movie, I would like you to make a note of how many times Charlie Chaplin falls over. Enjoy! At the beginning of the 20th century, films was silent, means there was no sound. Actors like Charlie Chaplin became big stars. Often, a pianist, a person on a piano, would sit in the movie theater and play the music that he thought was fitting for the story, so the music was live. The threat of television. The first talkie was made in 1927. It was called The Jazz Singer. A talkie was the name for film with the sound included. It was the first time audiences could hear actors speak. Most films were still black and white, but this changed in the 1930s when color films began to be made. Cinema was changing quickly and in lots of exciting ways. By the middle of the 1930s, most people in Britain were going to the cinema once or twice a week. However, as television became more popular in the 1950s, cinema audiences began to decline, get smaller. By the 1960s, watching television was the nation's favorite leisure time choice. Do you like watching TV? Now you know how films looked like a century ago. How do you think? Should we keep making silent movies? I would like you to give 2 to 3 reasons and use complete sentences to answer the question. I hope you enjoyed the class and I can't wait to see you soon at school. Bye bye.